There's a fast evolving digital revolution happening as we speak.
Blockchain makes cryptocurrencies the inevitable future of money more transparent, but these distributed ledger technologies can do much more.
If you start thinking of the world as decentralized, you suddenly stop thinking of nationalism or patriotism or tribalism. You're thinking about, hey, I live on this globe with a decentralized world, and that decentralized world is much more effective and works much better if those borders are completely open. Whenever you have a big tremor, big earthquake, you get a tidal wave. We are having the big earthquake. The earth is changing because we've got a decentralized world. And those of you who are excited are going to ride that wave and have the ride of your life.